So guys, as you see, it works great for a pet. Right, Emma? Huh? Right. She's like, oh, this is kind of comfy. All right, guys, works great. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this dog. Well, actually, dog, cat, lion, tiger, whatever pet you have. This is going to be a car protector. So it's a pet car seat cover. And we're going to go ahead and install this and show you guys how it looks. And by the way, guys, this is not like your typical really messy pet cover. This one actually folds and becomes carryable. So carryable. I know that's not even a word, but this product, we invented a word for it. So it makes it simple. Everything is Velcro, and you just unvelcro it, and you simply place it out on the car seat, and that's it. It's so simple. And when you're done, you can just fold it like we did right back up. Easy for carrying, and you can store it if you don't want it on permanently. So pretty awesome, guys. So guys, and this is how it looks once you have it lined up and strapped on. You guys can actually put this on multiple different ways, but it makes it simple. You also have these pockets in here that you can put stuff on. Now, we put ours on a little differently than some people would put it on. Again, you can put it on however you want it on. For us in specific, I like it how we have it. Makes it easier for what we want to do. But you guys can put it on multiple different ways. It looks nice and it works. So guys, as you see, it works great for a pet. Right, Emma? Huh? Right. She's like, oh, this is kind of comfy. All right, guys, works great.